Alright, so here is the best way on how you can play Rocket League with a PS5 controller on your PC. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So there are two ways on how you can play on it. First one being very simple and easy. What you can do is just simply go to Epic Games and download Rocket League on your Epic Games browser. If you don't have it, just simply download it on Epic Games browser, and it's pretty straightforward. After that, what you can do is just load up Rocket League. So I don't have it installed right here, but you just need to open it up, and once the game loads up, you just need to connect your PS5 controller with your PC through a wire, and once it's connected, it will automatically detect it and you'll be able to play. But if you're playing on Steam, and you got Rocket League over here on Steam, so what you can do is just select the game like this and go to its properties, and over here you need to go to controller and make sure that Steam input is disabled. Okay, and make sure you go to controller configurator, and right over here you just gotta configure your controller. So obviously you have to select and check all the buttons if they're working, and then just make sure that your PlayStation is on disabled as well. Once you open the game, it will start working with your PS5 controller. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can play Rocket League with a controller on your PC. So I hope this truly actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.